Say hello. Hello. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming on my new camera. I am so excited to use this camera. It's so exciting. It just makes filming and posting and editing and creating content just so much more exciting. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout the entire day. It is very early right now. We're getting breakfast, we're getting the kids together. I'm gonna take them to school, come back, and just, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys my entire day. So let's go. The kitchen is nice and clean this morning. This definitely makes the day, just makes you feel good. The sun is out. Sun? All right, guys, just dropped Kyrie off. And now we are just getting a donut for Micah before he goes to summer camp. And I also got a coffee. So we'll see. I don't really like Dunkin' Donuts coffee because it is just, they fill it with sugar and it's just super sweet, but we'll see. Okay, so just got home from doing drop off. I'm gonna get myself together in a few. I know, like, I look crazy, my hair's not done. I didn't even wash my face this morning and I've already picked up the camera, but that's because I just don't have time to do it in the morning because I have to get the kids ready out the door. So don't worry, I actually have a meeting today for work, so I'm gonna have to get ready and look presentable. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got from Dunkin' Donuts. This is a medium iced original coffee, 3 sugar-free vanillas, and 4 creams. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like if you're on a weight loss journey, or if you're watching your sugar or carbs, yes, this is good, but like, it's not good. I'm gonna drink it though, but it's not my favorite. I do taste like a lot of like coffee in it, and this is just so much cheaper than Starbucks. This was only like $3. I am going to maybe curl my hair a little bit, again, trying to look presentable, and then I'm actually gonna do my eyelashes as well. So, okay guys, I am going to curl my hair. I kind of want it to be like natural, like, so now let me do my eyelashes. I will literally look like a completely different person. It's kind of crazy what eyelashes can do to you. And I'll quickly show you guys how I do my eyelashes, because I used to spend like $120 every 3 weeks to get eyelash extensions. That ended because I found another way, and it is popular now. You use the Bond and Seal glue, and then you just buy your own clusters. And when you do it yourself this way, literally it looks like you just left the eyelash salon. It's crazy, but it's so cheap. I get everything on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. But that's what I use all the time. I've been doing it for maybe 2 years now. So let me show you guys what I have. But yeah, this is the before. And this is after. Okay, so I have 2 different brands, and the sizes that I use, I'm very simple. I don't do anything long. I literally use 8s and 10s. Those are like the shortest that you can use. So this whole thing here, these are all 8s. I like to use these for like my inner corners, and then I like to use the 10s for everything else. So I have a couple 10s here, and then I also have some 10s here that I'll use. And then the Bond and Seal glue, I just get everything from Amazon. This I like to use to dip my lashes in before I apply. And then this one, I like to use this one to use like on my actual eyelashes. So I know I've been doing this for a while, so I'm very particular on like what I need to use and what I need to do. I can't find my eyelash curler. Ideally you want to curl your lashes first, but Obviously, if you don't have it or if you can't find it like me, then you don't need to do that. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do left eye first. It's gonna show you guys. So I just apply just like a little bit. And then I have 3 different like tweezers. So kind of use whatever you want, but we're gonna go with this one first. And then I just like to add a little bit on the ends like that. I just go ahead and put it underneath like that. I just put it there. I don't clamp it in until the end. So it's kind of like a game of like trying to hurry. Okay, so I did that eye. So what I'm gonna do now is get some of the seal and just kind of put it in between the tweezers like that. And then we're gonna clamp them down. Okay, now let's do the other eye quickly. And this is after. So you guys, it literally like just like eyelashes make you a different person. I don't know, it just gives you that look. Like you don't need to do anything in the morning. You just get up, you go, you don't look dead. So that's why I love it. And the fact that I can just do it at home and get everything from Amazon, I'm not spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars like I did in the past, just makes me very happy and I feel good. So yeah, that is how I do my lashes. These little tools here. That's it. Okay, so we've got 30 minutes before my meeting, so we have to do something quick. No one can ever make me hate eggs. I love eggs and I can eat eggs every day, so let's make eggs. And I have my mic, so we're gonna be using the mic to talk and cook. And the only like any meat I have in my fridge now are these cocktail sausages. So we're gonna pair it with this. You guys know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna experiment. We're gonna put the tortilla right on top. Just a little bit of cheese. You know what? I'm gonna make like a fruit bowl. I have lots of fruit right now. So yeah, let me make it a little fruit bowl. We are going to roll this and we're going to cut. And then I just wanna try this out. Let's grab a sausage like this. It's super hot. And then we can make like little, I don't know what you'll call it. It's like a little like pigs in a egg blanket. I don't know, or I don't know, but I think that is what we're gonna do, you guys. And then we'll just add the fruit into here. Oh. All right, you guys, and this is going to be my breakfast. We've got a little bit of fruit here. I know this is not considered low carb, but this is the only thing I have, and it's fruit, so it's okay. And then we have, I decided to just make these like little, I don't know, pigs in an egg blanket. Low carb, a little bit of ketchup here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this upstairs, hop on my meeting, and yeah, we'll enjoy breakfast. Dip that in ketchup. That is so good. This is like a high protein, low carb version of pigs in a blanket. You're adding that egg in there for like extra protein, extra layer. The sausage is so hot. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm so happy I just came up with this idea. Oh my gosh, I did not have my mic close to me, so hopefully you guys heard me while I was trying out this. But Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have this for breakfast, and then I'll see you guys at lunch or dinner. Yeah. Okay, meeting's over. I just like have a headache now. Oh my god. Okay, almost done with work. I have an hour left. So let me get what I can done.
2 hours later.
But forever or sit down but hot forever.
Here, why don't you ask YouTube? Ask my YouTube family that question. Say it louder for them to hear.
Guys, what would you rather? Walking for your whole entire life but really cold, or sit down for your whole entire life but hot?
So I need you guys to leave me a comment for Micah and answer his question.
And
I'm gonna give you guys a second to answer, then I'll give you my personal answer. Okay, for me, I think I would rather walk for the rest of my life and be cold. I think that's such a great combination, because why would you want to walk and be hot and sweaty? So okay, so as you guys see, I picked Micah up from summer camp. I'm so excited. I just got an email from his summer camp, and it was an email stating all of the field trips that he's going on next week. He's literally going on 4 field trips next week. Like one to like a lake to go swimming, one to like a park to go fishing, one other park, a different like I don't know. It's just so, I'm so happy for you. It's so exciting. I wish I had this as a kid and I was. Anyways, guys, we are at Aldi to pick up a few things for dinner tonight. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet. It's out of 2 things. We're either gonna make cheesesteak hoagies. They will have the hoagies. I'll probably have mine like in a bowl or a wrap, or we can just go to Chick-fil-A and just order Chick-fil-A for dinner. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we're just gonna go into Aldi just in case, just to grab the ingredients in case I do decide to make like the cheesesteak. So let's go. We grabbed a few things. I did get some peppers, provolone cheese, and another one of these like the cheesesteak tonight. I don't even know if this is the right beef, but I already have one at home in my fridge, so I said, you know what, let me just get another one. And then I got this free bread from Micah's summer camp. It's fresh Italian bread, so they can eat the hoagies on this. And then Slim Jims. I want to taste one of these Slim Jims that Micah likes. Can you hand me a Slim Jim? Or
Yes.
4 sticks. Has 160 calories, so there's 40 calories in each stick. Basically no carbs, so that's pretty good. So we'll try one.
It's good, Mommy.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's spicy.
Is it?
No, do ASMR.
I can't. Not right now.
I'll do ASMR.
I think I like these better than the original.
Yeah.
No, I can't. I don't have my mic with me. Okay guys, we are home now. We ended up not going to Chick-fil-A. We just came home. But I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. We are gonna make Philly cheesesteaks. Jamal and the kids will have it on Italian bread, and I will probably either have mine in like a little bowl or with a tortilla, a low-carb tortilla, but I already had that this morning, so I don't know if I'm feeling that for dinner, but we'll see. But yeah, let me show you guys how I make it. All right, so then I'm gonna add provolone cheese to half. and let that melt. Okay. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Still letting the cheese melt. I'm gonna put mine.
Mom.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna top mine with mayo because this is what I would use if I was having it on like hoagie. Just a little bit. Let's try it. Ooh, look at that cheese. So yummy. The onions, the peppers, look at that. So much flavor. Ah. Uh-oh. Look, so much flavor, you guys. It's hot. So good. When the kids are gonna eat or when Jamal gets home, I'll show you guys how I assemble it on bread later.
2 hours later.
Come on, Kyrie, don't do that. Let's go. It's hot. I mean, that's sharp.
Woo, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh my man.
Ooh, good.
Isn't it?
Oh.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I got a new camera, so I'm just so excited to film with it and just, you know, post more for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and today's what I ate in a day and spend the day with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Red bird.
Mouth.
Yeah. Red bird, what do you see?
What?
I see a yellow duck looking at me. What do you see? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.